everyone. My name is Neeraj Kumar. I am from Jaipur, Rajasthan, and I am pursuing PGDM from FMS IRM. Today I am going to present a case study on the topic implementing a comprehensive performance appraisal system for India's leading retail chain. Now first we need to know what is a performance appraisal. It is a regular review of an employee job's performance and overall contribution to a company. Successful company known for its innovative tactics, facing problem of low morale employees who wants reforms in company for transparently projecting their performance. For this, three areas were needed to improve. The first one is manual preparation of appraisal and goal sheets. Second is review of KRA with systematic maintenance. KRA is a key result areas. Third one is digitalization of appraisal process for generating informative IMS report. Neglecting above mentioned causes result in continuous rising attrition rate, decreasing employees morale, and the last one is losing faith in company system and its management ability. Overcoming these shortfalls, company needs such which can adopt to existing process, can be implemented within short time span, and can be easily customized according to customer needs. After examining couple of products, customer choose AMP extract. Now first we need to know what is a AMP extract. AMP extract is a full-featured HRMS solution available on the cloud. It helps automate all aspects of your organization HR department. Now coming to the features of AMP extract. The first one is ready to use and also can be customized according to need. Second one is user friendly because can be accessed from anywhere anytime. Third one is many options for different editions. Fourth one is cost effective since it offer flexible price model and low end cost. Two modules were chosen from them. The first one is goal setting system and the second is appraisal system. To implement both solutions, Sagun accomplished project efficiently. At last, I have to say that I am agree to the solution provided by the Sagun because of the following reasons. First is timely completion of amendments in system and that too without modifying much in existing process. Second is it was cost effective in terms of time efforts and resource consumptions. Third is management was able to generate data and reports according to their needs. Fourth is due to improvement in one process, the other non-HR process were also affected positively. And if I would be the manager, I will take the following steps. The first one is internal committee will be formed to draft a portal on which employee will set their target. Second is outsource the expertise to build a website or portal where employees can upload their work progress. Third is systematic procedure to be followed to score or mark the work done by the employees. Thank you.